Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about the limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we can apply this one goal here. And now we need to change y into s squared. So this one we have s to the power of 4. This one we have s to the power of 4. So this one we have 2s to the power of 4. Now we need to simplify s to the power of 4 on numerator and denominator. And now we put number 0 cone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.